What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check, and today I just want to share a little gadget with you guys that I thought that everybody could use at one time or another in day-to-day life. So I just got done painting my back wall here and I want to start hanging things up on it. And if you've ever hung anything up on the wall that you want to get lined up with other paintings, you know it's a big hassle. You end up marking up the wall. It's just a big pain. This little device here makes that almost effortless. So if you haven't figured it out by now, this is a laser level. I've never actually used one because I always thought that they were super expensive for one that was accurate, and that's actually not the case. This little thing here is only $32 on Amazon, and I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. Now, in addition to the laser level in the box, you also get a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. You also get this little magnetic mount that has two magnets on the end here. You just simply connect this to something metal, and then you can use this as a little stand for the level in case you don't have a tripod. It also comes with the USB Type-A wall adapter and a little target plate so you can line up your laser. So this thing is super light. It is surrounded by all plastic. On the bottom here, it's got a nice rubber portion, so if you put it down on something, you don't have to worry about it getting all scratched up. On the top here, we do have a little bubble level that is actually pretty accurate. We have a little touch control on the top there. On the back here, we have our USB Type-C connection because this has a built-in battery, so no more corrosion and no more changing out batteries. You just use the battery that's built in. On the side here, we have the on-off button. And then on the front, there is the laser. It's pretty simple. It lets you know if it's off and it's not level. The little button up here functions as a couple different things. One, it decreases or increases the brightness of the laser. And two, it can lock in the laser level in case you have to line something up that's on an angle. And then you can also purchase this little piece here. Basically what this does is it gives you very precise movements. Because if you want to line something up precisely, it's not that easy to do if you have this mounted on a tripod. So you put this in its place, and then you can simply make the micro adjustments you would need to have that laser precisely where you need it. So this little knob here raises and lowers the device, and then the little knob here will turn the laser ever so slightly. But not only is the little bubble level accurate, but the lasers are accurate as well. I went ahead and set this up, and I have a bubble level that I use to make sure that the actual lasers are level, and they were pretty much spot on. So I'm going to go ahead and set this up to show you how it works. I'm going to actually use it to set some stuff up on my wall. I really wish I had this thing 5 months ago when I put up my sound dampening panels. As you can see on the wall, they are totally marked up with pencil because I had to make sure everything was level. Now it's actually quite easy to use. You can put it on a tripod like I have here, or you can just simply use this mount or something like that and just set it on a level surface. So first we'll go ahead and turn it on. As you can hear, it's making a beeping noise, and that's just letting you know that it's not level. We have to make it somewhat level because it only has a certain amount of adjustment that it can do internally. So we'll go ahead and line it up with the little bubble on top. There, as you can see, it stops beeping, and that's to let you know that it's level enough to where it can make its own adjustments. And then if you want to dim the laser a little bit, you can touch the little button on the top. It's got 4 levels of adjustment. And then if you want to lock the lasers in place so you can rotate it, so you can measure stuff on an angle, just simply hold in the touch button until you hear the beep. Then you can simply rotate it just like that. Then if you want to take it out of the locked mode, just simply hold it in again until you hear the beep. Now I'm going to go ahead and line the laser up where I want to put my nails. And that's pretty much it. I had to make one little mark on the wall to account for how deep the little hole was on the back of my digital LED frame there. Other than that, I just used the laser that was on the wall and everything lined up perfectly. So again, I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products and do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.